Hello everyone, today we are going to make paneer parathas. For that I've taken about 100 grams of grated paneer and added salt as per taste. Now I add half a teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Here I add in the finely chopped chilies. I've taken 2 chilies and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Since I do not have fresh coriander at present, you might add fresh coriander if you have. Mix it well and this will be our stuffing. Now for the paratha, I'd already made a dough and kept it aside for 15 minutes. Now I made small balls and then put them on dry flour and start rolling it. We'll make the paratha of about 15 centimeters in diameter and then start with the stuffing. Add a generous amount of the stuffing. The stuffing that I've taken is sufficient for 2 parathas. Now bring the sides together and pinch them so as to make another dough ball. Press it gently on both the sides and start rolling very gently. You would not want to make it very thin, otherwise the stuffing might come out. Leave it a little thicker than the usual roti that we have. Dust off any dry flour if present. And now take a pan or tawa and put some ghee on it. Use a brush as it would help if you do not want to have a lot of ghee. Now place the paratha on it. Cook it in medium flame. Flip it to the other side and rub some ghee on this side as well. Once both the sides are cooked properly, you have your paneer paratha ready. Serve it hot as it tastes better when it's hot. Hope you liked it. Thank you.